time I'm meeting
Oh, really?
from South Africa.
Oh, my way.
And I knew only Nelson Mandela, that's all.
And this is Lauren. She's from New Zealand.
New Zealand. I started together when was one girl in Japan. She was from New Zealand and very educated.
Yeah. Lots of
So I
privilege.
just decided to introduce you to them. So because I know you as one of the very humble ministers, ex-ministers,
No, it's
and now
fantastic.
currently is a member of parliament.
Since Kyrgyzstan opened visas to everyone in the UAE and elsewhere, it's exploding with visitors. It's a fantastic story.
Yeah, thank you. It's your first visit to Kyrgyzstan?
Yeah, first of many.
Thank you
sure.
for choosing our Kyrgyzstan. And, you know, we will develop our service. Don't
Improve
worry.
it.
Absolutely, there's so much to offer. I really love
Yes.
it.
Do you like?
Yeah,
our
yeah, the nature
nature,
and the culture and the people, the
air,
food.
mountain?
Yeah, it's very special. You're on a magic place.
Yes. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
It's so
Lovely to meet
pleasant, to be honest. I used to be the minister of the culture and the tourism, and I very appreciate all people who choose Kyrgyzstan to come and to have a
Hugely.
rest.
Oh, it's
He was one of the humble ministers we knew in the past. So very humble. Like he used to like come out and talk to people and and go on top public transport. You know, normally these things are not common in Kyrgyzstan, but Nurjigit we know as
man for the
one of
future.
that.
Sure.
I'm, I'm now a member of the national parliament.
Yes.
I was elected as a deputy after I left the position of the minister.
Congratulations.
So nice to
Yeah.
meet you anyway.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you for coming.
Thank you.
Right? After the-
Just-